Hi everyone, I am Caitlin. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little bit since I posted. I did post a couple months ago that I got a new job, and so that's kind of consumed my entire life since, well, June. I have been just working constantly, and unfortunately not being able to work on this channel as much as I would like to, or really work in the garden as much as I would like to. But that is hopefully going to change for the remainder of the year. I am going to do my best to post on here at least once a week. We will see if that becomes more or whatever the case might be. I do have a backlog of some videos that I created earlier this summer, so I will be editing those and posting those and kind of showing you what the gardens ended up looking like with all the work that we put in. But for today, I am actually in Las Vegas, Nevada. Can't say it's one of my favorite places on planet Earth. I am here for a work conference, and really the only thing that I am excited about for this is I have been wanting to go to the Bellagio Hotel and see the floral installations that they have there. So we're going to take a little bit, shh, don't tell anybody, and we're going to go over there and take a look at those display gardens and show you around. So let's head over there. All right, so I am walking up the strip to the Bellagio, and it is perfect weather today. It is Tuesday, October 28th, 2025, and it's probably like 72 degrees. It feels wonderful. Very atypical of your normal Las Vegas 100 million degrees, especially when I'm used to coming here in the summer, both for birthdays and things like that as an adult. And I would also come every year for dance competitions. And no matter what, it was always hot. And so now to be here and it's like perfect weather, it's so nice. All right, so we go up an escalator and then we're gonna walk in right through here over to the hotel. And then if you know anything about Vegas, right out here is the lake area where they do the light and water show. And then across the street you have the Paris Hotel. And yeah. So here's the deal. They changed this out for the various seasons, and obviously right now it's fall, autumn, and so they have their autumn display going, and it is so beautiful with all of the mums and the pumpkins and the pampas grass. It is like an autumnal fairyland It's gorgeous. I love it. Truly, the only reason for me to come back to Vegas would be to come and see this in their kind of spring, summer, winter seasons. And if I do that, I'm just going to stay here, get up super early and walk around. I don't think that there's really a reason to stay at any other hotel ever in Vegas. This is really the most beautiful. It is one of the more expensive ones. The other hotel that I love is the Venetian, which is also pretty expensive. But I love traveling to Europe, and just this type of architecture is really my jam.
One of the really cool things to see early in the morning. I did come back at about 7 a.m. or so, and they were replenishing the flowers in a variety of areas. The groundskeeping team actually does this daily. I'm not sure which I'd like to live in more, this tree house or the mushroom house. It's at the front, but it's just so pretty. And I am really inspired by the mixture of plants here with the kalanchoe and all the different mums and ivy and everything that's in here. Like, it's just absolutely a beautiful display of autumnal color. And I think for me, I love the whimsy and the fairy tale nature of the whole area. It's inspiring on a whole bunch of different levels. Now, this area is giving very Cinderella vibes to me with the gazebo that has its topper shaped like a pumpkin or multiple pumpkins. Can you imagine Cinderella having a just beautiful party with that in her backyard? Because I totally can. Along with this cute pumpkin fountain. Oh my goodness. Stunning. I love it. So everywhere across here you'll see a bunch of large pumpkins and gourds and all different sizes, colors, everything. And the idea is to just add a rustic charm and whimsical spirit in the whole area. And the pumpkins actually symbolize prosperity and gratitude, with the idea that each of the fruits reminding us of bountiful gifts of a fall harvest. So very thoughtful. gorgeous birch trunks with flowers adorned on them. And of course, some wise old owls with their books, because that's how they got wise. And if you look in here, you can see some of the titles that they have. They've got Wuthering Heights and Sleepy Hollow. So some very classic stories.
So that's going to do it for our tour of the fall display at the Bellagio. It was absolutely stunning, everything I wanted it to be, and I hope you enjoyed coming along for the visit as well. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.